Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be a bit more personal.
Yep, instead our usual content, we're just going to really talk about what it's like being a communication student.
We just wrapped up our finals and with a short break coming up before semester 3, we figure it's the perfect time to reflect.
From overwhelming assignment and group project to dreaming about internship and life after graduation, this is what it's really like.
So make yourself comfy, grab a drink and come along with us as we dive into the roller coaster of being a student in communication study.
Can't believe it, Irna. Just one more week until finals. Feels like we're just start the semester.
I know, right? Everything fell by so fast. I was just getting used to the schedule, and now it's exam week.
Totally, this semester was packed assignment, presentation, group project, and don't forget that file observation.
The one for journalist ethics. Here I had to interview five search in 3 days. Exhausting.
But kind of exciting too. Feel like real work training. Still, every week my brain felt like it was about to explode.
For sure, but hey, just one more week. Then it's vacation time. Finally, some prepared sleep.
My plan, sleep in, big a movie and drink coffee non-stop, but also thinking I'm applying for internship. What about you?
Same here. I've started looking into internship, three startup hiring for their creative content division. I'm thinking of applying.
That's wisdom. If I got our branding agency, I really want to learn about the digital campaign.
That fits your perfectly. You have got such a good eye for concept and storytelling. Your social media content is always on point.
Thanks, Irna. I really want to work in something that makes an impact, but still lets the be creative, like a meaningful branding or social campaign.
That's kind of how I feel too, but sometimes I get confused after graduation. So I go to into media, PR, journalist. There are so many things.
I totally get that. I used to dream of becoming a news anchor. Now I am leaning more toward agency work or becoming a content strategist. Communication is such a broad field.
Right, and everything seems interesting, but part of me is scared out and up in the world trying to not find what I truly passionate about.
That's normal. Just take this step by step. We're only finishing our second semester, still plenty of time to explore.
True, that's why I really want to enter to get a real taste of working in the field.
Especially in communication, portfolio are crucial. Theory is great, but practice is just important.
And I feel like we are getting to know ourselves more now. I used to think college was just about grades, but now it's more about figure out who we are and who we want to be.
Yeah, like our professor said, communication isn't just about talking, it's about creating, understanding, and connection.
And sometimes it's about listening too, like when we had to observe audience for the media strategy assignment. That's when I realized how important empathy is.
Totally, so after this vacation, it's semester 3, halfway to graduation. What about that feel?
Makes feeling excited because we are getting closer to the finish line, but also nervous. The working world feels like another planet.
But you're ready, Irna. I really believe that you're top full of observation and always see things from different angle. That's a hard.
Thanks, Linda. You're amazing too. You have a god magnet way to telling story about and evolving ideas. Any brain you will be lucky to have you.
Hopefully, ever thought or doing a master
sometimes, but I think I'll work first, save up, get experience, then maybe pursue a master when I know actually what I want to focus on. You?
Same. I want to work for a year or two, maybe even in a different city or abroad, then go for further study if needed.
Speaking of abroad, where would you love to work someday?
If I could dream big, I'd love to work at an international agency, but realistically, I just want to be a place with value, campaigns that matter, not just profile driven.
That's so you. I feel the same. I want to work somewhere with a social mission, environmental campaigns, public education, sometimes meaningful.
Imagine one day we collaborate. I handle that branding, you run the media side, total dream team.
Could happen. Maybe one day we haven't start our own agency.
I mean, but for now, let's get through final first so we can enjoy the break stress free.
Absolutely. But I love talks like this. Help me calm down.
Me too. Sometimes you just need a long talk to remember why you're doing this and to believe everything going to be okay.
Let's keep pushing. We have come so far to turning back now.
Right now, let's finish this semester strong and enter vacation with peace of mind and hearts full of hope.
So Linda, vacation finally. How your first day off?
Honestly, I sleep 12 hours straight, only wake up to eat and refill my water bottle. It was amazing.
Haha, I'm here along around all day, but in the evening, I start updating my CV for internship.
Nice. They've sent out a few application already or agency replied they're asking for portfolio.
That's great. I can help review it if you want. I'm also working on a short video for digital media application. They like free content actually.
That's wisdom communication. It's so broad. We can be right, content creators, strategists, even researchers.
Actually, the more we try, the better we all understand what suits us. Oh, and I have got an interview next week with people.
You'll do great. You've got lots of experience already from our project.
Thanks, Linda. By the way, any travel plans this week?
If I land an internship, maybe not. But if not, I'm thinking of road trip, my trip to Yogyakarta, clear my head a bit.
That sounds good. I'm thinking of going to the mountains, get some fresh air. But yeah, depends on whether I get an internship too.
Hope we both get on that help us grow, meet new people, learn new things, and get clear about our direction.
That's the goal. I want to step out of my comfort zone so when we hit semester 4, we are even more prepared.
Semester 4 is close to the end. We'll need to start thinking about thesis topic, research ideas, and post-grad planning.
I'm considering exploring how visual content influence audience behavior. You?
So cool. I'm torn between digital marketing communication or environmental communication, still exploring.
Take your time. We have still got space to figure it out. The important thing is to keep searching and stay open to opportunities.
Couldn't agree more. And what helps most is conversation like this keep the spirit alive.
I feel that too. I used to be terrified of the future. Now I feel more ready because I know I'm not facing it alone.
Exactly, Irna. We support each other, keep each other going, and one day we'll look back and say we made it.
And the journey starts now with every assignment, every exam, and every heartfelt comparison like this.
Let's keep going. Our future is wide open, and so many things are waiting for us to bring them to life.
Semester 3 has officially started. Feels a little different this time, more intense but more focused.
I feel them too. The classes are more specialist. I actually like that we're getting into the real meat of communication.
Like the strategic campaigns planning course, I love it. Feels like real world simulation.
Totally, but the excitement are networking, creating and campaign plan from scratch and pitching it like it's for client. It's serious stuff.
And the profession don't play, but I get it. They are prepared us for the real deal.
I'm starting to appreciate group work now too. We learn how collaborate, brainstorm, and even handle conflict.
Haha, especially when a teammate is part, but even then teaches us communication, how to give feedback without hurting feelings.
That's a life lesson right there. Communication is just about theory, it's about empathy.
Yes, and I have realized that our skill go beyond writing and speaking. We are learning to read the room, understand audience.
A lecture, one on-site communication is not just a tool, it's a weapon depending on who's holding it.
This stuck with me too, makes me see the importance of responsibility in how we communication, especially online. One post can go viral and change the things.
That's why I am so into digital communication ethics. Social media can be wild, but used right, it's powerful.
That's helped me find my path. Actually, I want to focus on digital media, creating educational yet engaging content.
I found my calling too. I want to be a strategist, not just a visual, but the whole messaging strategy.
That's totally you. You always think from multiple angles.
Thanks Irna, and you're great to organizing ideas into story that click.
Maybe someday we all actually work together, or at least recommend each other for cool jobs.
Let's meaning that, but for now, let's consider that semester, create more, learn more, and share more.
I mean, to that, keep moving forward even if it's tough, we have got what it takes.
Most of all, stay true to ourselves, keep the fire alive, and never stop believing.
Because the strongest communication is the one that comes from the heart.
Quote of the day, I'm writing that down.
Haha, inside caption material.
Don't deal. Alright, let's get back to our group assignment before we lose focus.
Let's go and remember to commentary night later.
Can wait. See you on Zoom, future partner.
See you, future partner.
Wow, that was a ride from stress to dream to plans. We really put it all out there.
Yeah, and it's comforting to say things out loud sometimes. Remind us we are not alone in this journey.
If you're also trying to figure out where you're headed or what comes next, just know that's completely okay. We're right there with you.
Thanks so much for watching and for spending this time with us. If this video helped or made you feel seen, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And leave a comment. Let us know what stage of your student life you're in or what dreams you're chasing right now.
Till next time, keep growing, keep living, and most of all, keep communication.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.